Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but you wear a little bit of makeup, but you keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
Hey y'all, it's me. Hope everyone is well. So I hopped on here right quick because I was about to go live because I did a look earlier this morning, and it was really cute, but I had a whole crying episode, so when I got ready to take the picture, it was all cracked up here. So I done talked myself out of going live because I felt like they probably wouldn't want to see the same thing. If you're one of my buddies from Facebook, let me know if you would have watched me do the same one again. Anywho, so this is like a bonus situation because I bought these wigs off an ad, which I should have known better. It was like $3 for $50, and the wigs on the picture was looking wonderful, but I should have known better, you know what I'm saying? But once you shop at Shein and Lovely Wholesale, and it comes to you be like, maybe it's not sketchy, but I should have known better because I done bought shoes. Don't do that. When we get to these wigs, y'all let me know. Anyway, enjoy. I hope y'all like this look. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Oh, and turn that bell on, boo.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but you wear a little bit of makeup, but you keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
I'm back, y'all. I had to eat. And I had to scarf it down, so I'm not gonna be on camera. All I did was put some Pila weeds on there. I'm about to keep this going.
Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, that you wear a little bit of makeup, but you keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, that you wear a little bit of makeup, but you keep her hair fixed. Add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this.
All right, my good people. Voila. Ain't she cute? I kind of like it. Starting like this makeup thing. I still see some flaws, but you know, in the meantime, hey girl, hang. But my lips, y'all know I got issues with my lips. We got like that. So there's that. They came in a plastic bag like this. Why they came in a bag like this, I don't know. It's 3 different wigs. We're gonna try on all 3 of them. Do not, I repeat, do not order from off of Facebook. No, 3 for anything, okay, sis? Don't do it. Don't do it.
sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me have a little sauce, she don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got a face, but she wear a little bit of makeup, but she keep her hair fixed. Had her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
Wig number 1. I mean, with an outfit, I can get away with it. You feel me? I put a hat on here.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me have a little sauce, she don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got a face, but she wear a little bit of makeup, but she keep her hair fixed. Had her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
I've already come to the conclusion that I'm gonna just use these as, I don't know, like, I don't know why you would use this. I'm gonna hold on to it. In case you might need one for a play or something. I don't know. Girl. Okay, guys. Oh, you got several different straps that you know. Listen, this is a do not do. Do not do. Do not do. Do not do. Do not do that, girl. Look. You want this? Is this supposed to be baby hair? Some people wrong for selling this. Like, I was almost too scared to put it on my head. Girl. I mean, if you put on a nice hat, I guess. But what? This is just don't do that, girl. Don't do it. Don't do that.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me have a little sauce, she don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
Is
Girl
it?
sauced up, she ain't got a face, but she wear a little bit of makeup, but she keep her hair fixed. Had her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip.
This one even worse. Like, I could have did this. They wrong for sending me this.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me have a little sauce, she don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle on drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got a face, but she wear a little bit of makeup, but she keep her hair fixed. Had her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle.
I'm gonna title this because this is some foolery. Do I title it foolery? Cause let me go ahead and get this good old picture, girl. I would like for y'all to like, comment, and share. Cause the foolery gets real, real good. I'm sorry I ain't turning around the other wig, but girl, this one right here. Y'all supposed to text a little. Got to be, cause you know YouTube say you got to be fixed everything on it. Everything got to be. Alright, so I got another wig that I'm gonna really review. It's gonna be my first time ever putting on lace front. Girl, I don't even know how you attempt to make this joint cute.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, she don't do it like this.
Comment and tell me what the hell I should do.
Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got a face.
I'm sorry for the language.
But
what?
Yo,
I'm trying not to cry about it, cause say what now? This horrible hair ain't even worth. You gotta let them brows. You gotta let them brow. Say what now? girl. I don't know. That's wig number 3. 3 for 50. Okay. That's what you get, girl. 3 for 50. I suggest you don't do it. I mean, I guess I could play with it and fix it, but the way it feels, it ain't even. Girl, don't do it. I get where they was going with it, but don't do it, boo. Don't do that. That's enough. That's a negative. Nah, sis. Let me go ahead and give you the business. The reason why I said it like that is because I bought a wig because another YouTuber, well, a few of them said that this wig was amazing. That's not. That's not what I got. I'm gonna show it to y'all, and I'm gonna do that next video that's coming soon. Okay. My real thoughts on this wig that everybody raved about on YouTube. I'm gonna rave too. Y'all join, like, comment, share, subscribe. Come kick it with your girl. We learning makeup. I got clothes. Like, I wanna do a haul. Tell me where y'all would love to see. Like, I do lovely houses. We got, you know what? I am gonna do a haul. I'm gonna do a haul on my wedding. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. In the meantime, anyway, I like my makeup. What y'all think? Y'all like this makeup or not? My makeup so cute. My wig look nice, girl. You forgot that we was all here talking about how bad this wig look, girl. Browser. Okay. Alright, I'm sorry. I just gotta recognize it when it comes through, because you'll know I've been doing this makeup for about 6 hours. I'm gonna just say that. Y'all.
Everybody got sauce, everybody got drip. We can do the same thing in the same outfit. Let me add a little sauce, you don't do it like this. Watch me open up a bottle, I'm drip, drip, drip. Baby girl sauced up, she ain't got her face, but you wear a little bit of makeup. She keep her hair fixed, add her own little sauce to a fresh outfit. Told her open up a bottle, I'm